Hi, 안녕하세요, my friends all over the world. As you've seen in the intro, today I'll show you a video of Hanbok experience at Bukchon Hanok Village with my Filipino subscribers who travel to Korea. Mary, William, and all my friends, thank you for coming, and I'm sorry the video is too late. Bukchon Hanok Village is a residential area where the people actually live, so please be considerate of the residents if you visit there. By the way, finding the way to the main street of the village is a little tricky, so I will show you the way at the end of the video. Now let's go meet our Philippine subscribers. On that day morning, I met my friends from the Philippines at Hongik University Station on Subway Line 2. Hi! Finally I meet you. You're Mary?
Yeah, Mary.
And you're William. You're her husband. Okay, and you're Brian. And you're Lori? Nice to meet you.
My brother, my family.
Okay, so we are going all together?
Yes.
8?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, let's go. Bukchon Hanok Village is near Hanbok Station on Subway Line 3. Before we went to Hanok Village, we stopped by a rental shop to borrow hanbok. Everyone is busy picking their favorite hanbok. Wearing a nice and pretty hanbok, we started taking pictures in the small yard of the rental shop. Since then, I have been very busy taking pictures of these 8 friends.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
Can you see? They are very bright and energetic guys. Now we finally arrived at Hanok Village. Let's get started for a time. Even though I often see Hanok as I live in Korea, but every time I see it, I think it's really cool. When you come to Korea, I hope you take great pictures against the background of Hanok. Now you are singing a Filipino sister and brother who are obsessed with taking pictures. This is the most famous photo zone in Bukchon Hanok Village. But even if you don't know it's the photo zone, you will naturally take pictures here. I will let you know how to get there in a minute. My energetic Filipino friends love to dance even without music. So now, here's music for you. Well, you should learn from them. Use hanbok like this in your photos and videos. And look at this father and son. You can't live without eating this in Korea. It's Korean pork belly barbecue called samgyeopsal. It was my first meeting with the subscribers, and it was a very special memory. I wish I could make a better video for you. Hopefully next time. I'm looking forward to the next meeting with the subscribers. Now, as promised, I will show you the way to Bukchon Hanok Village. First, get off at Hanbok Station on Subway Line 3 and exit number 2. And as you walk forward, you will meet this small intersection. Cross the street 2 times in total, so you cross the streets diagonally. Now turn right and go straight again. When you start to see hanbok rental shops, you arrived at the entrance to the Bukchon Hanok Village. Good job! Now I'll show you the way to the photo zone in the heart of the town. You are almost there. Now you know where you are, right? Take a look at the village. If you plan to travel to Korea in the future, don't hesitate to contact me. Foreigners living in Korea are also welcome. I will help you plan your trip and make your travel pictures and videos. Of course, the photos and videos are free. You can leave comments here on the video or an email is also good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and even alarm buttons.
안녕.